A vertical pole. What are you drawing, beta? कुछ लिख रहे हो? A vertical pole. There is a vertical pole and there is a vertical tower on the same level ground, which means we have this level ground. There is a vertical pole and there is a vertical tower. समझ में आया इधर तक? In such a way that from the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. Now once again I will revise elevation and depression for you girls. Elevation मतलब क्या? Always everything starts, originates from eye level. This is my eye level. This is how I look at things. If I look up, this and this angle will be the angle of elevation. If I look down, then ये straight view, मेरा जो range of view from eye, straight view से नीचे, ये दोनों के बीच का जो angle बनेगा, that will be my angle of depression. So if I am looking like this is the angle of depression and this is the angle of elevation. Understood? So let's come back to the question. Same ground in such a way that from the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the, now listen very carefully, I will write this part down. From the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is equal to 60 degrees and the angle of depression of the bottom of the tower, don't get confused, I will explain everything, and the angle of depression of the bottom of the tower is equal to 30 degrees. Let's try to understand this. First point is, from the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, मतलब top of the pole से top of the tower दिखता है और elevate करके दिखता है, मतलब मैं अगर पोल पे खड़ी हूँ तो मुझे टावर का टॉप ऐसे करके देखना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? तो who is at a higher level? Tower. So can I bring the pole down now? अभी क्या लिखा है? From the top of the pole, मतलब ये point से, let's say this point is A. From this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, मतलब क्या? Angle of elevation of the top of the tower would be in what? ये angle of elevation हमेशा straight line of vision से ऊपर, line of vision बना लिया मैंने, उसके ऊपर गया top of the tower तक बनाया कि नहीं? Elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So can I say this is 60 degrees? Is there any problem in understanding? Okay. And the angle of depression of the bottom of the tower, मतलब ये tower, मैं अभी किधर खड़ी हूँ? पोल पे. हाँ, मैं पोल पे ही खड़ी हूँ. पोल से अभी मैं नीचे देख रही हूँ तो मुझे दिख रहा है टावर का एकदम नीचे का पार्ट, ये वाला पार्ट, उसको एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन बोलेंगे. इसके साथ अभी बताओ एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन ये होगा या ये होगा? वो वाला ऊपर वाला होगा कि नहीं? ऑलवेज फ्रॉम द लाइन ऑफ साइट इज 30 डिग्रीज. डिड यू गेट द डायग्राम? ओके. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टावर. अच्छा, और भी कुछ दिया. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टावर इफ द हाइट ऑफ द पोल इज 20 meters. Find height of tower such that it's given that height of pole is equal to 20 meters. And second thing that we have to find is height of pole if height of tower is 75 meters. So these two are totally unrelated events. We cannot take इसका data for this. Okay. Find height of pole if height of tower is 75 meters. Alright. So now, first condition क्या है हमारा? First condition is that height of pole is given to be, pole कौन है? छोटू वाला. So can I say this is given to me as 20 meters, right? So how will we approach this problem? We know this is 30 degree. We also know one thing, always remember, the line of sight is always parallel to the ground. If the line of sight is parallel to the ground and these are vertical, so this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees or not? Line of sight सीधा देख रहे हैं ना अपन, ऊपर नीचे कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, थीटा बन जा रहा है. तो line of sight और ground दोनों same level पे है कि नहीं? Same level मतलब same inclination पे है कि नहीं? So both are 90 degrees, both are parallel to each other, so the line is 90 degrees. ये 90 है तो ये 60 हो गया कि नहीं? ये 30 है तो 90 minus 30 is how much? 60. So can I just label this A, B, C, D, E? ठीक है? So can I say angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees? है कि नहीं? कोई प्रॉब्लम है? BAC 90, BAD sorry, BAD is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, that is equal to 60 degrees. इधर तक आ गए हम लोग? अभी मुझे देखो, always in these kind of problem, sin लगाओ, cos लगाओ, अगर हम लोग के पास adjacent side है ना, ये adjacent side है कि नहीं? Adjacent का side दिया हुआ है. What do we have to find? Find the height of the tower. Tower का height निकालना है. So basically what do I want? There is another thing I can do over here. That if this AB is equal to 20 meters, this is 90, this is 90. So can I say this is a rectangle? If this is a rectangle, this will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. So can I say this will also be 20 meters? DC will be 20 meters. So can I say AB is 20 meters, ABCD is a rectangle, therefore BC is also equal to 20 meters. मुझे थोड़ा सा हाइट का पार्ट मिल गया कि नहीं? बिल्डिंग का थोड़ा सा हाइट का पार्ट मिल गया कि नहीं? So BC is 20 meters. Now anyhow I will have to find BC here. So what is the trick I was talking about? ढूंढना क्या है मुझे? मेरे पास AB है, यहाँ से मुझे BC मिल सकता है. If I get BC, that means I have AD. If I have AD, I should be able to find ED also. This should be the method I will follow. This is what I will ask myself. What do I need? So I need BC. So basically, can I say I have adjacent and I need opposite? I have adjacent and I need opposite. और adjacent और opposite का combination किस पे आता है? Tan में. So can I say it always mention the triangle on which you are applying. Otherwise वो part check नहीं होगा. Mention the triangle. In triangle, or you should write in right triangle ABC. Right triangle लिख दिया तो क्या एक step आप लोग खा सकते हो. अगर सिर्फ लिखोगे in triangle ABC, you will have to write angle ABC is 90 degrees. So instead, just write in right triangle ABC or right angle triangle ABC. So what do I have here? Can I say tan 60 degrees is equal to BC upon AB. ये लिखना जरूरी है, डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखोगे. इसके नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे ऑल सब्स्टिट्यूशन. व्हाट इज tan of 60? क्विकली टेल मी. tan 60 बताओ. √3/2. कोई भी नहीं है tan का वैल्यू √3/2. बोल. 1/√3. 1/√3. So tan 60 is a decreasing. Tan is a decreasing value ना. √3. So the values are 0, √3, 1, 1/√3 and infinity. समझ में आया? It's a decreasing value. Decreasing है, increasing है. Increasing है. Increasing है ना. Infinity is highest. Increasing value है. मतलब 0 से शुरू होता है, infinity तक जाता है. तो नंबर धीरे-धीरे बढ़ेगा कि नहीं? तो 0 होगा. उसके बाद होगा. हाँ, 0 होगा तो उसके बाद 1/√3 होगा. Right? Tan 60 is √3. It's not 1/√3. Tan 60 is √3. √3 होगा. Tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is 1/√3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 is √3. Tan 90 is infinity. Okay? Is equal to, ये अगर भूल गए आप लोग, then you can check your log tables. Log tables में यही वैल्यू दिया रहेगा. √3 का वैल्यू दिया रहेगा. 1. क्या है √3 का? 732. 1.732 दिया रहेगा. So anyway, BC क्या है? BC we don't know. We know AB, that is 20. So can I say BC is equal to 20 √3 meters? यहीं पे छोड़ दो please. Don't try to further solve it at this point. So do I have my BC? So can I say if BC is equal to 20, BC is equal to AD? Why? Because ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore AD is also equal to 20 root 3 meters. Any problem? और मुझे क्योंकि मुझे BC और AD तो निकालना ही नहीं है, पूछाएगा मुझे, तो क्यों सॉल्व करूँ उसको मैं पागल जैसे, कोई मतलब नहीं. Now in triangle, now I will take ADE. In right triangle, ADE. What do I have? ADE. I can say again, I have this value 20 root 3. I have this value, I have to find this value. So can I say I have adjacent and I need opposite? So again I will have to apply tan. So can I say tan 60 degrees is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan इसका क्या होगा 60 है ना? हाँ, tan 60 degrees is equal to ED upon AD. ED upon AD. So can I say tan 60 कितना है? Root 3 is equal to what is ED? I don't know. I need to find it. Upon AD कितना है? 20 root 3. So can I say over here ED is equal to 20 root 3 into root 3. That is equal to how much? 20 into 3. That is equal to 60 meters. मिल गया या 60 meters? Now what did I have to find? The height of the tower. मिल गया ना, टावर का EC is the height of the tower. So can I say EC is equal to ED plus DC, that is equal to 20 plus 60, that is equal to 80 meters. This is my height of tower. Did you get this? समझ में आया सबको? Find me the height of the pole if height of the tower is 70. How will you do it? पूरा ये चीज को redraw करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? We cannot use the previous data. So we will again redraw the whole figure. This was how much? 30. This was 60. Right? This was 60. Okay. Angle of depression and elevation will remain the same, beta. Right? Right? So now what is given to us? Now it is given to us that the height of the pole, height of the tower is 75. अभी tower ये है मेरा, है कि नहीं? इसका height कितना दिया हुआ है? 75. So can I say if this whole thing is 75 meters, let's assume this is x meters. So how much will DC be? अगर ऊपर का x meters है तो ये क्या रहेगा? 75 meters. ठीक है? यहाँ तक समझ गए? Now, what is the other? Is there any other data that goes here? Assumption over here also. So let's say 75 minus x, right? Like इसको 75 minus x assume. Let's say this is the height of or x. X is my height of the tower that we have to find, right? If this is h, so this will also be h. So this will be how much? 75 minus h. It will be easier assumption for us to do. Okay. So now we have come to these. इतना सारा आप लोगों को information मिल गया है यहाँ पे. So how many variables are there? How many variables do I have? 3 variables. Tell me what are the variables? H and x. We only have 2 variables. So first point is we will have to find the relationship of the 2 variables or not. The relationships of the 2 variables are needed. अच्छा ये क्या h? अच्छा इसको h assume किया. इसको अगर h assume किया, इसको x assume किया. ठीक है? इधर तक समझ में आया? So I have assumed this to be x, this to be h. So how many variables do I have now? 2. X and h. to make the variables disappear, if there are two variables, how many equations do we need? How many equations do we need if we have two variables? Two equations are needed or not? X और y का equation चाहिए तो two variables are needed in that. So first I have to find x in terms of h, and in an equation I will have to substitute the value of x or h. That way we can find the value. Let's see what I am talking about. Let's take in triangle ABC or in right triangle ABC. What do we have? 60 है. H और x का relationship कैसे मिलेगा हम लोगों को? This is adjacent, this is opposite. So what do we need? Tan. Can I say tan 60 is equal to BC upon AB? That is equal to x upon h. And what is tan 60? Root 3. So can I say is equal to root 3? So can I say x is equal to root 3h? Can I say this is my first equation, x in terms of h? कहीं पर भी मुझे x आएगा दूसरे इक्वेशन में. Can I substitute this value of h? What is wrong with you guys? Are you able to understand or not? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Two equations we need in terms of x and y. डरो मत दो variables लेके. दो variables है, दो equations भी बनेंगे. दो triangles है ना हमारे पास. Tension मत लो. Now in right triangle, AD है. In right triangle, ADE. What do I have? I have this 75 minus h and I have this x. So can I say opposite है और base है? Opposite and adjacent. So again I will have to apply tan theta. समझ में आ रहा है? x और h का एक और equation मिलेगा मुझे. So can I say tan theta, tan 60 is equal to ED upon AD. That is equal to 75 minus h upon x. Or can I say this is equal to 75 minus h upon 3h? कोई दिक्कत है इसमें? सब कुछ h में आ गया. अभी इसका वैल्यू क्या है? tan 60 का root 3 is equal to 75 minus h upon root 3h है कि नहीं? So can I take this over here? So can I say root 3 into root 3 is equal to 75 minus h? What is root 3 into root 3? h. Root 3 into root 3 h. So 3h plus h is equal to 75. So 4h is equal to 75. H is equal to 75 upon 4 meters. So can I say if the height of tower AB is h meters and this is 75 meters, then the height of tower AB will be how much? 75 upon 4 meters. h ही था ना, मुझे h ही ढूंढना था. समझ में आया कैसे सॉल्व किया मैंने ये?
वो भी ढूंढना है ना?
हाँ, इसमें h ही ढूंढना है हम लोगों को. तो अगर हम लोगों को नहीं, ये h ही मिल गया, डायरेक्टली h मिल गया मुझे. So can I say answer height of tower, नहीं, pole is equal to 75 upon 4 meters. Did you understand how did I approach this sum?